Good morning, second grade math students. How are you doing today? Great. Today we're going to continue our work with place value. For this lesson, you're going to need your place value mat and your base 10 blocks or place value blocks. We are on lesson 9.3. It's on page 385. And we're going to get started, okay? All right, here we go. Here's the I can statement. It's at the top of page 385. All right, let's read it together, or you can listen. I can tell the value of a digit by where it is placed in a number. Okay, one more time. I can tell the value of a digit by where it is placed in a number. Okay, and we are on 9.3 in the place value unit, page 385. Okay, and hopefully by now you have taped your hundreds chart or glued it to the front cover of your volume 2. And we're going to count, and we're going to go ahead and do some counting. And we are going to go straight to our counting by 100ths. And we're going to use the hundreds chart to help us, but we're going to visualize that these are hundreds. Ready? Okay, here we go. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 1,000. Okay? We counted by hundreds. All right, and we have the ones place value. We have the tens. We have the hundreds, which is a 3-digit number. And now we're working up to 1,000, which is a 4-digit number. A 4-digit number. Okay, so some important vocabulary is digit, and the digit is any numeral 0 to 9, a digit. We have ones, which is the cube, the small cube, and written like that. We have the tenths, which is the long, and it is drawn like that. We have the hundreds, and that is the square, and the model is drawn like that. And now we have 1,000, and the 1,000 is drawn as a cube, 3D cube, right? So we have digit, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and we also have place value. And place value column is where we put the ones, the tens, the hundreds, and thousands based on the numeral that we're being shown. Okay, so if we have a 3-digit number, 253, we place them into the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. All right, so that's our concept for today. We're not going to do the solve and share. You can do that on your own with one of your family members. We're going to go right to page 386 and at the Visual Learning Bridge, and they show you a number, 354, and they want you to tell which is the value of the number shown. So the 3 has a value of 300ths because it's in the hundreds column. The 5 has a value of 10, so 5 tens, which is 50, because it is in the tens column. And the 4 has a value of 4 ones because it is in the ones column. And the ones column is a 1-digit number. The tens column is a 2-digit number, and the hundreds column is a 3-digit number. So let's go ahead to the guided practice, and they want you to use place value blocks. You can also use your whiteboard to draw a model of the number 348. So draw a model or use place value blocks right now for the number 348. Remember, each of these is a digit and the whole is a number. Okay, so how many ones are there? And I'll use this one because I'm not sure where my place value mat is right now. How many ones? And I know 4 plus 4 is 8, so I'm going to draw it like that. How many tens? And how many hundreds? And I have 348. Okay. So let's go on now to page 387. And they're asking you during the independent practice to circle the correct values for the underlined digit in each number. So you're going to be circling more than one, so don't just stop at the first one, because it says circle the correct values. So there's going to be more than one way to say the expression, and they've circled in 173, they've circled the 3. So I'm thinking, what is the 3? What value does the 3 have? Well, it's in the ones column, so it'll have 3 ones. Okay, and is there another way to say that? Yes, there is. 3 ones. So you would circle both 3 ones and 3. Okay, and so you keep going. Number 3 says 400. Did I miss 2? Oh, I just did 2. It's that kind of day. Number 3 says 439. So they want you to circle the values that equal the 4 in this number. Excuse me. Is it 4 tens, 4 hundreds, or 4 ones? Okay, so it is in the hundreds column, so it's going to be 400. 400, and it's also known as 400s. Okay, so that is your concept for today, that you can look at the place value chart, and from the place value chart you are able to figure out, put the number into the place value chart, and depending on where it is, you will be able to figure out what value each number has. Okay, depending on where it is positioned, where the digit is positioned in the number. So visualize the place value chart. All right, and let's read the I can statement one more time. I can tell the value of a digit by where it is placed in a number. Okay, go ahead and finish 9-3 today. And I will see you again tomorrow for 9-4, where we're going to be reading and writing 3-digit numbers. All right, have a good rest of your day.